Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing a protein and fiber rich meal ideal for lunch or for dinner in your weight loss journey. So let's get started with the recipe. Into a strainer, I'm adding in 1.5 cups of Jowar flakes. Jowar flakes, also known as Jowar Poha, is a highly nutritious millet and it is completely gluten-free. Jowar is a rich source of fiber, and the high dietary fiber content of jowar makes it one of the best foods for improving digestion. Jowar contains calcium and magnesium. It is rich in copper and iron, hence ideal for those with iron deficiency anemia. The high fiber in jowar helps to keep you feel fuller for a longer time and thus ideal for weight loss and weight management. Jowar is a rich source of protein and it's a powerhouse of essential vitamins, antioxidants and minerals. It is loaded with good amount of calcium, copper, zinc, phosphorus, potassium and cell building B vitamins. I'm sprinkling some water over the jowar flakes. I'm spreading the jowar flakes. This will help the jowar to moisten a little bit. So I'm going to keep it like this till I get the other ingredients ready. I have 2 handfuls of fresh palak leaves. Palak leaves are also known as spinach leaves. I have washed and rinsed it thoroughly, and I've also removed the stalk of the palak leaves. I'm adding the palak leaves into my blender jar. Into this I'm adding in 1/4 cup water and I'm going to blend this really well. Once nicely blended, I'm going to keep the palak puree aside. Meanwhile, the jowar flakes has softened and is ready to use. I'm heating my kadai with 2 teaspoons wood pressed groundnut oil. I have some spices. This is 1/3 teaspoon of whole black peppercorns, 4 to 5 garlic cloves, 4 cardamoms lightly crushed, 1 small piece of cinnamon and half of a mace. Once the oil is heated, I'm adding in half teaspoon jeera, also known as cumin seeds. Once the jeera splutters, I'm adding in the spices. Lightly give it a stir. I'm adding in 1 medium-sized onion finely chopped, a small piece of ginger finely chopped and 3 to 4 garlic cloves finely chopped. 2 green chilies finely chopped. Green chilies you can increase or decrease as per your taste. Give this all a good mix and allow the onions to saute until it turns transparent or light pink in color. And once the onions are transparent, add in the palak puree. Pink Himalayan salt as needed. A fat pinch of turmeric powder, and I'm giving this all a good mix. Saute it for a couple of minutes. 2 to 3 minutes later, the palak puree is sauteed. Adding in 1 heaped cup of cooked chana. So what I've done is I soaked the chana overnight and then pressure cooked it. Once the chana is nicely mixed, I'm going to add in the jowar flakes. You can see that the jowar flakes are non-sticky and has softened really well. I'm adding the softened jowar flakes into this and give this all a good mix. Cover for about a minute. About a minute later, open the lid. Give it a good mix. Squeeze in half a lemon. The addition of lemon juice will help in better absorption of iron. So try not to skip it. And my super healthy and protein rich jowar recipe is ready to serve. Transfer this to a serving bowl and you can enjoy it with any pickle of your choice. So guys, do try this healthy jowar recipe and let me know how it turned out. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.